So if you thought this was just a regular folding utility knife, guess again, because it actually is a ratchet. I'm really excited to show this one to you. Now this is the WORKPRO brand. They did send this to me. So all you're gonna do is press right here and watch this. Look at how easy it is to change a blade. If you've ever used a regular utility knife, you got to put it on its side, you got to unscrew it, you got to take it apart. This is like 3 seconds in and out. I'm really impressed with that design, and the blade holds in there nice and solid. And as you would expect, because these are brand new blades, they're very sharp. It doesn't have like a 90-degree lock on it, so it's just gonna go fully open or fully closed. So when I got this, I was like, why do I have all these bits? Like, what's that about? Well, check this out. Right here in the center is your ratchet, okay? They give you this little extension piece, and I've got 2 screws here, one with the star bit head, one with a Phillips head, and they're gonna give you a little set right here. I can go ahead and drive that all the way through the bottom. So comfortable in the hand. I've got such great leverage. Look at this. So look, I was able to drive that screw all the way through the bottom. They also give you a T25 star bit in here. A lot of your construction screws, in fact, a lot of the newer screws today are going to the star bit. And do this one-handed. Super easy, okay? The blade change speed and convenience is really good. And then, of course, you got the ratchet. So they definitely sold me on this one. Definitely pick it up, check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.